Good morning, everyone. Look how much snow we got. Lots. Look, are you playing in it? Come on. Yeah. And I had this bassinet so I could take her out, and I had this blanket over top of it so the wind wouldn't get to her, but it would just been sitting in a bunch of snow, so I just left her at the door. Reese, did you have fun playing in the snow? You didn't? Wow. Was it fun? Was it cold? No? Oh, okay. Yeah, I had him all bundled up, as you can see earlier. Our house is a mess because we just got back from being out of town, and we got home late, so I have not did anything, and I need to, but I'm kind of resting from the weekend. We had a fun time with my mom and dad and my sister and my brother, and it is snowing outside like you've seen. It is still coming down like really hard, so we're probably gonna have a really lot of snow, and I will show you guys whenever it comes down more. I just got through feeding Lily, and Ryan is home. He got to come home early because he had to go in early, and it is too bad, but he had to go in work early. Yes, he did. And Lily is sleeping.
Alright, I'm gonna go shovel the sidewalk. Driveway.
It's game night.
Yes, because there is like over 7 inches out there and it's not even done. It's still snowing. Reese is laying down. He's asleep. Lily's asleep. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. Just kidding. Just kidding. I am feeding Lily, and look at this yummy pizza that we're about to eat. Mine has pepperoni on it, and Ryan put extra cheese on his. Yummy. So good. I'm about to devour it, and I have a root beer float. Yes, root beer float. It's almost gone. Almost. But it's really good. I'm watching Daily Bumps. If you're not subscribed to them, go subscribe. Go subscribe.
He went face first into the snow earlier. Keep your feet up. High leg, lift it up. Alright. Are you filming? Hi guys, me and Reece is coming home from Mamma's. We're getting something from her. We got about 9 inches of snow out here. It's very slick. It ain't gonna melt. It's very cold. Reece? Hey Reece. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go.
He's telling me to go to the backyard.
Okay. We're going to go to the backyard. We're reporting live from Owensboro, Kentucky.
We're all here as a family. Lily is inside.
It's cold.
She's very warm.
Let me get him.
Look.
Reece, go like this.
Make a snow angel. Make a snow angel.
He's scared. Go get a hot bath and some hot chocolate.
We're gonna make some snow cream.
Hey, Reece.
Oh no! Lots and lots of snow. It's up to Reese's knee. Oh goodness! It's in my boots. Uh-oh. Can you not get up? Mama help you up? Here. We're coming.
Slow down.
Woo. You ready to go in? Are you cold? No, you're not cold?
Are you filming still? Hi. It's cold out here. Oh,
I can barely see it, so dark.
Reece, are you okay?
Can you get up, Reece? Daddy, he can't.
I'm coming, buddy.
It's so much snow.
Ready? Run. Let's play football. Down. Get down like this. Set. Go. Go.
You have to take one step at a time.
Go. Down. Set. Hoot, hoot. Reece, come on. Come on, buddy. It's getting cold.
Come on, baby, let's go inside. Run, run, run.
Down. Set. Go. Go. Run over towards Daddy. Come over towards Daddy. There's blocks over.
You wanna walk? Dance.
We have about 2 inches of drifts.
Do a little boogie. Look, Reece, do a little boogie. Do a little boogie. Do a little boogie. Do a little boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie.
Currently our state's under a state of emergency, so we can't get out. Not supposed to get out.
In our vehicles.
In our vehicles. You can go, you can get in trouble. Reece, come on. Go up back. Oh. Reece,
Reece, we need to go inside. Come on.
come on, buddy. We're gonna go out back.
It's getting dark out.
You want some hot chocolate? You want some ice cream? Make sure it's not yellow.
This is
My wife
what?
Teresa in the boat. She knows the way around the boat and everything, and she knows what it takes to make a good deckhand.
Kind of dark out, so you couldn't really see.
There he is.
But we played in some snow.
It's just
She's all
something about
bundled up.
that
She's
moment.
sleeping
You
right
can't
underneath
take
this.
I'll
And
always cherish
a
that
little
moment
snowsuit
right there.
with this, and she had no hoodie on over
Being
top.
able to
Her did
help
not get
Junior
cold at all.
when he needed me, it's like
No,
no greater feeling. I mean,
No.
helping with the family.
She
again,
is
it's
going
like,
through
It's
a
amazing. No, I'm telling you.
growth
I
spurt.
was really
and
excited.
She
Can't
is
wait to go
sleeping
back
a
tomorrow.
lot today. And when she's not sleeping, she's eating. So
I'm
she's
on
eating
now.
and sleeping a lot. She doesn't know what her wants. And she's going through a growth spurt. What did Daddy do?
All right, Reece, get your shoes off. Come here.
Did he really? Did you have fun?
The truck at house.
What happened to the truck?
Truck about.
We have
Reece, come here.
some vanilla.
Reece, take your shoes off.
Take the truck.
Mama gave us some vanilla so we can make some snow cream.
Come on, take your shoes off.
We're gonna have some snow cream And I'm really wanting chili, but it don't look like I'm going to get any of that. So it is getting late, and I'm going to end the vlog. We have had just a comfy day today because it snowed. We just laid around and stuff. Really has slept almost all day because she's going through a growth spurt. And hopefully she will sleep tonight. But I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.